Can you ever have too many small trucks in your RC collection? Easy answer, no. As you can see behind me, I've got 3 small trucks. They're all FMS, all part of the FMS fleet. 2 FCX18s, they're 1/18th scale. We've got the grey LC80 Land Cruiser, and we've got the yellow Chevrolet K10 flatbed truck. But the one that started it all a couple of years ago was the one in the middle. It's a 1/24th scale FCX24 K5 Blazer. Yep, you guessed it, it's box opening day. Welcome to RC Scale Tales, and another new truck joins the fleet. It's one of these. It's this one here. It's a Series 1 Discovery. It's part of the Land Rover Camel Trophy Edition collection. There's 4 in the collection. I've got the Discovery. We're going to open up the box, give it a test. Let's waste no more time. Enjoy. So what we've got is a fully licensed Land Rover scale model. Now, it's very unusual for a model company to release 4 vehicles all on the same day, but FMS did this, and you can see they released a short wheelbase Land Rover Defender D90, a long wheelbase Defender D110, the Series 1 Discovery, and at the back there you can see a early Range Rover. There's 2 chassis lengths. We have the shorter 111mm wheelbase, and then we have the longer 134mm wheelbase for the 110 Defender, the Range Rover, and the Discovery, the shorter one being for the D90. They all come with a hard body, an interior, and other scale accessories, particularly the Range Rover and the Discovery. So let's open up this new truck and see what's inside. So inside the box, you also get a very nice hard body scale Discovery Series 1. Lots of nice detail, which we'll look at closely in a minute. The standard FMS controller. Great little controller. Very light. It runs on 2 AAA batteries. Your controls at the top. Forward, reverse, and channel 3 for your 2-speed. Spare wheel for the back. Sandboards, your charger, wheel wrench, some Allen keys, and a Phillips screwdriver. Very comprehensive book of instructions, full build schematics for all 4 vehicles in the collection. Now, interestingly, when you buy these from FMS, you pay one price, obviously, for one vehicle, but as you buy more at the same time, the price gets a little bit less for each. So it's actually more cost effective if you buy more than one at the same time. And last but not least, we have a sticker set, so you can actually personalize the vehicle, particularly to whichever part of the world you're from. We've got some UK license plates, some Land Rover badges, a selection of flags, and some Shell Petroleum decals there. So the collection is licensed by Jaguar Land Rover. It's part of the new generation FCX24M chassis. So it's actually a metal twin rail chassis, lots of metal parts, nice large diameter tires, which helps with clearance and ability to cross a variety of terrain. Has a full metal gear drivetrain, a 2-speed transmission, and lots of factory installed details. So let's have a closer look. So on the front we've got the bull bars, we've got a pretend or fake winch to add detail. We have the snorkel, door mirrors, windscreen wipers, full roof rack with spotlights of the shovel, and on the back we have an axe, a ladder, a tow hook or hitch, lots and lots of scale detail. The body is hard plastic ABS, nice interior, molded interior. Nice flex in the suspension. So let's open it up and have a closer look. So it's Velcro at the front, so you just gently prise it off, and it's hinged at the rear. Inside, the truck is supplied with a LiPo battery, 380 milliamps. There's your gearbox with the metal gears, and you have a combined ESC and light control at the front. A 0.50 motor. So it looks really, really good, and I think this will perform very, very well out on the trail. You can just see at the back, FCX24M. So compared to the original FCX24, almost the same chassis length, but underneath you can see it's a lot different. So I think what we'll do now is we'll add all the scale accessories, put some of the decals on, then we'll get the battery on, get the controller working, and give it a little test. There you go. Discovery looking absolutely fantastic. Lots of decals, sandboards, and spare wheel. I managed to pick up some other bits and pieces off AliExpress. Some more decals, straps, ropes, etc. I'm going to mount them on the top, and then we'll do a test of the truck. So there it is, the FCX24M, new to market in summer of this year. The Series 1 Discovery, complete with additional accessories which I purchased from AliExpress. So it looks like it's ready for adventure. So I've already installed the battery, and underneath you can see a little white button there. That's your on-off switch. Controller, it's your standard FMS controller that you've come to expect with all the other models. You turn it on there, and that's it on. 3 channels. With your throttle control, forward, reverse, steering with a nice foam wheel. Channel 3 is your speed control for slow speed and faster speed, and the bind button also controls the headlights. So we'll show you first the headlights. There you go. Looking really good. No lights at the rear or spotlights on the roof rack, but I believe this is something you can buy as an additional accessory later down the line. So let's try the truck in slow speed. Very nice. Nice and smooth. Trying faster speed. Let's move it into either servo. So a lot faster. Nice steering angle. A nice steering control. So, looks good and looks ready for an adventure. So I've got some indoor obstacles which we're going to try on now. Let's try it on obstacle 1. Obstacle 2. No bother. Well, there you go. What do you think? I think it looks absolutely amazing. The new FMS FCX24M Land Rover Discovery 1. Once again, FMS have delivered a lot of truck, or should I say a lot of little truck for little money. 1/24th scale. Just look at that. Lots of detail. And it also performs as good as it looks. Let me know what you think of the truck. Let me know what you think of the video, the channel down below. good or bad, I will reply. If you haven't done so already, please give the video a like. It really does help. And why not subscribe and hit the notification bell for future RC Scale Tales videos. One question for FMS though, if you're watching, why don't you make one of these in 1/10 scale? What do you guys think? Anyway, we'll catch you on the next RC Scale Tales video. Keep on crawling, keep on trailing. All the best now. Bye bye.